My name is Tunde Ajibike. I'm the Director of Planning, Research and Statistics from Oyo State. It has been a wonderful experience. We have been taught on several things: how to manage resources, how to manage financial. We have been taught on financial management in our various states, and more importantly, how they can link different states in such a way that we'll be able to harmonize how we operate in different states with a way, with a view to, develop, our database. So this has been a wonderful experience. We had interactive section and group works, and I believe that will go a long way to assist us when we get back to our different states, in order to, keep our government informed about the latest that we've had on how to manage the states. This will go a long way to assist us, and I believe again that if SPARC, in collaboration with DFID, can be organizing this type of program at least once in a year, it will facilitate another interactive section that will take us forward.